I'm going to show you how to connect your PC to your monitor with a DVI cable. First thing, you connect the power. Then once you connect the power, start by connecting your DVI cable. Make sure screw it to secure it. Like this. Then make sure you have your keyboard and mouse connected to your PC. Like this. So make sure you have your power connected for your PC and for your monitor. Then you connect the other end of the DVI right to your monitor. Make sure it's in the correct position. Make sure tight it to secure it. And if your PC does not have a speaker, connect this to USB external speaker. Find an empty USB port and then connect it to the correct audio like this. Once that connected, you turn on your PC and your screen. So this is how you connect your PC to your monitor by using a VGA cable. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.